This is the story of me flying those 6 approaches, which I'm doing in 2 different airplanes at various types of airports. Now, 3 of the approaches are going to be done in TAA, technically advanced airplanes, highly technical, G1000 panels with extraordinary autopilots. And 3 of the approaches are going to be done in a more challenging airplane, a complex retractable gear airplane with no autopilot, just radios. I'm dividing it down into 6 different videos so that if you don't have time to watch the whole thing, you can click in and see which one you want to. Now, 3 of the videos were made and the approaches were made from here at Sporty's Airport in Sporty's TAA airplanes. This is the 182 with a G1000 that you've seen in several of my videos as I go cross country. They also have a G1000 172, and since this one was in the shop on the day I was looking to do my flying, I did it in the 172 12064. 3 of the approaches were done from Middletown in a 172 RG. You've seen several videos that I've made with that airplane as well, and including the one where I flew back from Burke Lakefront to Middletown, where it was IFR from the time I got on the runway to the time I left the runway, due to Canadian smoke blowing in over Ohio that lowered visibility down to under a mile for much of the time. So 3 of the approaches were flown in this, a 172S 12064 is the call sign. And I had Eric, a CFII from Sporty's Academy, in the right seat while I'm wearing goggles. This is the 2nd approach. It's a 2nd approach to the RNAV 6 right at Lunken. Once again, using Cincinnati approach, and then the tower at Lunken to guide me in and out. I'm wearing goggles. Eric's in the right seat. He's handling the radios because you got to keep your CFI busy.
Right. Okay. Yeah. And then I can adjust my altitude. Got it.
Approach 12064. We need to stay at 3,000 to stay out of the clouds.
12064, roger. Maintain VFR 3000, fly heading 180.
180, maintain 3000 for 12064. 180 on the heading.
Excuse me?
180 on our heading.
180.
Cincinnati Approach Bonanza 66896, 3600.
Number 66896, Cincinnati Approach, Cincinnati altimeter 3006, stay in tension.
We'd like to do the ILS 21 left at Lunken. Then we're going on over to 40.
Number 66896, unable ILS 21 left right now. They're on a north flow using 3 right, and we got other aircraft doing approaches there. I give you your localizer back course 3 right. Does that work?
No. Nope.
How about the RNAV
3 right
GPS for RNAV for back course?
I love it. He talks like I did. Actually, I said it.
RNAV 3 right work for you?
That'd be perfect. 896.
Number 66896, roger.
Nice guy.
The RNAV runway 3 right.
Expect RNAV 3 right, 896.
Drop us at 100 feet.
Yeah. Well, I thought it was coming down every now and then it stopped. Okay.
Number 12064, turn right heading 210.
Right to 210 for 064.
Number Number 66896, turn left heading 170, vector for your approach.
Left 170, vectors for the approach, 896.
Okay, and the approach is still in?
I've reloaded it. You have to reload it. So,
Yeah, little love bump there. I hope you don't.
no worries.
Hope you don't mind. Okay, so I'm coming around. I'm way up here. So we're gonna go down for quite a while.
Yeah. And depending on what he's going to do with this guy behind us, he may cut us in
Number
between Sheila.
66896, after this approach, are you guys going to want to approach at Claremont County, or do you just want to do the visual?
It's us or them?
Just do the visual into Claremont.
Do you want to shoot the approach?
Let's shoot the approach.
Okay.
Air transport 3390 heavy, Cincinnati approach, since altimeter 3006, expect runway 36 center, safe present altitude.
That's cool, a heavy going into CPG.
66896, sorry, you got stepped on. You guys are just going to be looking for the visual at Claremont County?
That's affirmative, 896.
Thank you.
And approach 12064, we'd like the RNAV 4 back into Claremont County after this approach.
Number 12064, roger. You expect for your mist, fly runway heading, maintain VFR 2500.
Runway heading up to 2500 on the mist for 12064.
Okay, it's very comforting that so far it's doing what it should be doing. Because right now when the clouds are all around me, that's what I want it to do. But I will hit that off button.
12064, descend and maintain VFR 2500 and fly heading 200.
200 and down to 2500 for 12064.
Air transport 3390 heavy, fly heading 085, vector final approach course.
2500,
maintain 8000.
and 15. Okay.
Or 12064, turn right heading 300.
Right to 300 for 12064.
Morning approach, TPM 550 November Papa, descending 14.7 for 12000.
TPM 550 November Papa, Cincinnati approach, since altimeter 3006. You expect the visual approach Claremont County Airport, advise when you have the weather.
3006, we do have the weather and we'll expect the visual to runway 4 at Claremont County, 550 November Papa.
Yes, I know I could do these on a simulator.
4 miles from Wonin, maintain VFR.
I would rather do this.
Turn right heading 010, cleared RNAV, runway 3 right approach.
Right to 010, cleared for the RNAV approach, 3 right at Lunken. 12064. So you can go ahead and activate the approach mode.
Okay.
There we go.
Number 66896, fighting 160.
160, 8906.
As soon as we're established, I hit that down.
Transport 3390 heavy, descend and maintain 5000.
We're inside Sheila, so we can go down to 2100. Yep.
I'm waiting. There we go.
Yeah.
Number 550 November Papa, fly heading 085, vector for your approach.
Inside, so we're going
Descend
down.
and maintain 8000.
Descend and maintain 8,000 and fly vector 085. 550 over Papa.
I'm inside.
The G1000 should, you were asking about that back course, it should fly the back course all on its own.
Okay. Okay, let's pull some, when do you want to pull power?
I like to set up about 2 miles before the final approach fix, so
Okay.
we're close enough. We can start working a little bit of that power out to get us below 110 for the flaps.
Okay.
Vertical track.
Or 12064, you can contact Lunken Tower 118.7. We'll talk to you on the way out.
Over to tower 118.7 for 064, thanks.
Okay, we're at 2100.
Lunken Tower 12064 on the RNAV 3 approach.
Roger Jet 59, contact Cincinnati departure, good day.
Over to departure, Roger Jet 59, good day.
65 Bravo, if you haven't already, start your base turn inside of a Cessna, 6 mile final.
Roger, we're on our base, 65 Bravo.
Number 12064, Lunken Tower, number 2, following a Cessna, about a mile right base, runway 3 right, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option 12064, we're looking for the traffic.
So, flaps at Wonin or Zugme?
Before, just before, yeah.
Just before?
Yeah, you can go ahead and put them in now.
Okay, wonderful.
Watch our airspeed real slow.
Yeah, let's take it at 90.
And there's Wellman, we can go down.
There we go, we're going down.
Take away some of that power. There we go. Set your bottom. Yep.
For 65 Bravo, exchange your up and I'll call you crosswind.
Books in the up, run your power crosswind, 65 Bravo.
We want to go down. To 1300? There we go.
1300.
Yeah. Tracking right along.
That's good, billion-dollar technology.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to set my heading on my runway. Right. There we go.
Our altimeter, the altitude, just so we know where we're at. 25.
Huh?
I like to stay ahead.
For 65 Bravo.
Yeah, I know you do, and I love that.
Right class traffic approved, 65 Bravo.
Okay, should be shot minimums pretty soon.
Minimums.
Okay, so now I'm going to take this, right, and go up 1, up 2.
Let's go mist.
Let's go mist.
Yeah, let's go mist. You got to switch to heading mode.
Heading mode.
There we go.
Heading mode and up.
Tower 12064 is going miss.
064, roger.
It's coming up.
She's doing what she's supposed to be doing. Let's go left.
Right, clear for the option.
Left, yeah.
Please for the option 6 up Bravo. Okay, Tower 6 up Bravo. Requesting full stop.
65 Bravo, runway 3 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 3 right, 6 up Bravo.
064, contact Cincinnati departure.
Over to departure for 12064. Thanks for your help today.
Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. While you're here, if you could subscribe so you can catch the rest of the videos, and hit the like button so that your aviation aficionado friends will watch it too. Have a great day. See you next time.